there. Was the Boxycharm by Ipsy a trick or a treat? If you're not familiar with the box, you get 5 full-size items, they pick 2, and then you get to pick 3. And it seemed like this one, there were more choices available. Yes, I was pleased with that. What did they pick for me? The first thing they picked was from Salt and Stone with a retail of $20, saffron and cedar hand cream. I'm probably gonna pass this along. The saffron sounds interesting. I know the cedar would bother my allergies, and in as much as I want to try it, I hate to try it, not like it, and then it's wasted. And it said on here, a fast-absorbing daily hand moisturizer infused with seaweed extracts and antioxidant-rich botanicals to leave skin soft and hydrated. So, like I said, there's a part of me that wants to try it. Me too, but we don't want to waste something either. So, who knows what we're going to do with this thing? Keep it or share it. Undecided. Next up from Colfi, they picked a guava lip stain. That's the shade. I don't know if that's right side up. Well, I think that was upside down. Maybe that's right side up. That's supposedly the shade of it. I see a lot of lip stains popping up both in boxes that I'm getting and on other channels that I watch. So I guess this must be the season of the lip stain. It has a retail of $24 and it is 3.8 milliliters. Next up we have a clay mask. Oh, this is going to be exciting. It will eventually show up in one of our face mask battles on our channel. There's a whole playlist and everything. Sonage Tulsi Soothing Tri-Clay Mask. Beauty like food should be a health choice. Paraben-free botanical ingredients, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan. American-made beauty. And I don't know if it's picking it up or not, but the ambulance is going by. Hope everybody's okay. French heritage since 1994. Botanical ingredients, spa grade and cruelty free. And I did open the box to take a look at the container. It has a really tight safety seal, so I couldn't get a sniff, and I want to leave it packaged up so it doesn't dry out before we're ready to try it out. And this has a retail of, get ready, $48. Yeah. Skincare ain't cheap. In as much as I'm not a big perfume gal, but getting boxes over these years, she's increased her desire for perfumes, or at least found some that she likes. I like this one. Yes. This is by Commodity. It is their milk version, and it is their bold version. And you can tell that, number one, because it says it in itty bitty little print there, but you can tell by the number of dots there on the package, on the container. The more the dots, the stronger the essence. I like to take this, and I have others, spritz them on a cotton square, and then set it off in the corner of the room or a few feet away from me, so I get the scent kind of like an air freshener. And I'm sure that's not how they designed it to want to be used, but that's what I find works very nicely with this, especially with the bold. And they were honest when they had this up for choice. This is not full size. This is a deluxe travel size. So they were honest that I was not picking a full-size product because this box gives full-size products. And this has a price tag not bad. For a deluxe mini, $34 for a perfume, not bad in price, if you ask me. And how much do you get? Of course, it's not written on there. It's probably written on the box over here. You get 10 milliliters. That's still a decent price for a small amount that can be used sparingly. Yeah, I mean, I don't use perfume like that scent all the time, but I'm tickled that I was able to make that choice. And the last thing that I picked is from Rem, and that's the color. Oh, wow. Yeah. And it is an Essential Drip Glossy Balm in the scent Strawberry Soda, and it is 4.7 milliliters. It has a $19 value. Oh, hello and come to mama. We are both attracted to shiny, blingy, fun colors. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a fun one. This is gonna be a fun one. I haven't opened it yet because I've got others open and I don't want it to dry up. So it's gonna have to wait its turn. But oh my goodness gracious. It's a winner. And I think, like I said, $19? Yeah, $19. That's, okay, it's not dollar store prices, but hey, not bad. What did you see that you liked? Let me know. Inquiring camels want to know all the details. Do you get this box? And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, there is a new price and there is a shipping charge. It's no more free shipping. Hey, everything's going up in price. It did not surprise me. You get 5 full-size items, or in the case of this box, they did honestly tell me that it would be a deluxe travel size. Fair enough. So my box had a retail of $145. The month-to-month subscription is $34, and I think I pay $33, and then a little bit for a shipping and handling. So I'm all in for about $35. So the annual subscription, if I'm calculating it correctly, maybe is not as much of a money saver as it used to be. What can we do? Prices are going up. It is what it is. Shop with what your budget allows. Yes, because I have to pay all up front. So it is what it is. But I was pleased with this box. Oh, and we have a code in the description box down below. And what does the code get you? That's a good question. I want to say it will save you a little bit on your first box. We have too many codes. We're starting to get confused as to what it gets you. But we do have a code if you want to try. You will get a benefit of some sort. I'm getting forgetful in my old age. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine, all that fun stuff. Stick around because we got fun stuff coming up in Advent season. Oh boy, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And we hope to see you in another video. Thank you for watching.